Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. Today is 15th of February. We stay inside the house. We don't go out for the moment because it's quite cold. But maybe later on I go out. This video, this video guys, this is in France. She is our lovely dog. It's Polly is the best guard in the house. You see? She's like a guard. She look everything, she heard everything, she observed what is surrounding in the house and especially inside the house. Guys, this is the update of my premiere because it's a long time I was not able to do a premiere. Regard, mommy. Hello. Think it. This plant, we call this a money plant. It's the leaves is very crispy, very easy to break. And we have I plant many things here inside. I brought the plant here since the weather it's quite cold. It's a winter, so I put it here. But this one is a Christmas cactus, is permanently here. Same as this one. It's getting tall now, you see? As you see this one. Polly, ahead! No, sila ba? Regard. When she is not happy, she is like that. This one, it's my copper. That's why I put inside here, inside the house, because it's so cold. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like and share my video. Hello, Polly. Ali, biso ni Mami. Wala, biso ni Mami. Inatong, you are waiting who? You are waiting the Princess Marie Claire. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Please like and share. Bye.